my name is Kiran Mangal. I'm from brushstroke.in. It's my Instagram handle. And I thank Savitribai Phule and Madam to giving us the opportunity to show us our products. So I made these handmade saris, stoles, dupattas. This I made for 15th August. This is also handmade dupatta. So our stall is basically all handmade products, handmade flowers, and we have these mandala arts, mirrors, and dry flowers materials. So Anandita, she's from Anandita Creations and brushstroke.in. We both are sharing our stall, and thank you so much. I'll give Anandita to speak about her products. Anandita, come.
Good afternoon. I'm Anandita from Anandita Art Creations. I'm an artist and an art therapist. I do different forms of Indian folk art along with resin and mandala. I do corporate trainings for different forms of different employees. I've done corporate trainings for Verizon, for Times of India, for PwC. These are my paintings, different forms of paintings. There are relief painting, mandala painting, folk art, different forms of folk art, jewelleries, resin jewelleries, and with real flower jewelleries. My Insta handle is ananditaartcreations.ig, and my phone number is 9000631246. Thank you so much.